falling tonight, falling and falling tonight.
Hey y'all, so now I'm going to show you my full wash day routine. At this point, I had the aloe vera and the hot oil to sit for an hour, and now I am about to wash it out and start showing you the products. I'm going to use the Kera Care Curl Essence line. I'm going to use the shampoo, the conditioner, as well as the leave-in conditioner for a twist out later on. I purchased these products at my local beauty supply store. Each container that I have was less than $10, so I spent about not even, I'll say about $25 on the shampoo, the conditioner, and the leave-in all together. If that, but it was around $25, and it's pretty cheap for a set of natural care products, and I can honestly say that the products did work pretty well, but I'll get into all those details later. So at this point, I'm about to add in some shampoo, and the texture and the smell is pretty good. The texture is light for the most part, but it did give me a really good clean. And the aloe vera did really well in my hair. It looks really good, really got my curls popping. Absolutely lovely. So I washed the aloe vera out, and now I am putting in the shampoo. It only took a little bit of shampoo. I didn't need much shampoo at all. Like when I got it on my whole head, I still had a lot of shampoo left in the bottle. So it has really good slip or whatever. The brush is going through effortlessly, and I love it because my curls are popping, y'all. Moving on to the next side, and I'm just gonna let you watch it.
Yeah, hey, you can open up to me, show me what's inside. Mother Nature made us to intertwine. Lavender elixir so full of pheromones. Give me one taste and you're gone. What if I can't get you out of my thoughts? What if my seasons don't change? What if you forget to forget me not, and we fade away? You're my little flower, blooming in the night, only for an hour.
Okay, so at this point, I'm about to wash this shampoo out, and now I'm adding in my conditioner. Initially, I did not like this conditioner at all because it wasn't giving me the slip that I absolutely love in my conditioners. So, I'm just fingering through, but I will say all of their products do absorb very well in my hair, so I can't complain on that end. But I have to let this set for 10 minutes as a regular conditioner, but if you want to do a deep conditioning, then you have to do from 15 to about 20 minutes. So I'm just going to put a conditioning cap on and let it set for 15 minutes as a deep conditioner. So I let that set for 15 minutes, and I did like it when I let it set. So I washed it out, and my hair is so moisturized. My curls are bouncy. I absolutely love it. I do suggest getting this product because it's affordable, and of course it works amazing. So right now I'm just going to dry my hair with a t-shirt instead of a towel because the t-shirt helps to keep in the moisture, and it doesn't snag your hair as much as a towel could possibly. So also a fiber towel works really well too, but I couldn't find my fiber towel, so I am using a t-shirt today, and it works just as good instead of going out and buying a fiber towel. So I'm just gonna dry my hair some. I never use a blow dryer. I always just, of course, like I said, use the towel or the what a fiber towel or a t-shirt. So there you go, curls all bouncy, hair all soft, and I am going to now just put it in a puff.
Yeah, hey, you can open up to me, show me what's inside. Mother Nature made us to intertwine. Lavender elixir so full of pheromones. Give me one taste and you're gone. What if I can't get you out of my thoughts? What if my seasons don't?
The product absorbs so well. My curls are popping. I absolutely love it. Thanks for watching.